Sugar, what have you got there?
A daisy flower.
Ooh. Hi everyone, welcome to DooDee's Art World. Hey Sugar, can you show that daisy closer to the camera?
Okay, sure.
Ooh. Hey Sugar, I got an idea. Why don't we grow a daisy together today?
Okay, sure. That sounds great.
Would you like to join us? Yeah? Okay, let's go. I love daisies. They are incredibly resilient and they can grow on every single continent on Earth except for Antarctica. Amazing! Are you ready?
Yes.
Alright! So we are going to start by making the middle of the flower. Let's make a circle, a big one. Your turn. Alright, so now we're going to start making the petals. Let's make an upside down U shape, okay? Watch this. Alright, so we're going to make this shape all around the circle, okay? Let's do that now. Alright, now we're going to make some more petals at the back, okay? In between these big petals, alright? Like this. Okay, let's continue making it in between all these petals. Good job! Okay, I think our flower is looking good. Let's now add the eyes. Let's make 2 circles as the eyes. Alright, and now we can color it in and add some highlights. I'm gonna add 2 circles as the highlights. Well, Sugar likes to use the acrylic marker. Let's do that. Oh, I like your eyes. Okay, grab your marker now. Okay, now we can add a smile. Alright, let's add a smile. Oh, that's interesting. That looks so cute. Okay, we can now add stem and leaves, okay? Let's do that. Let's make 2 straight lines at the bottom here. Alright, now let's add the leaves, okay? So, I'm going to make some wavy shape like this, okay? Sorry, going to make some wavy lines like this.
They're already off.
Okay, well, that's a different kind of leaves, but that's alright. And now we can just connect it back to the stem. Alright, let's make another one on the other side. And connect it back. Now let's add some lines. Alright, I think our daisies are now perfect and all that's left to do is to
Color it!
Yeah, let's do that! I love our drawings. They look so good. Don't you think so?
Yeah, it looks exactly like my Daisy.
Yeah, I think so too. Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you had fun. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe so that we can draw again together. Alright, hope you all have a nice day. Keep smiling, keep on drawing. See you on the next one. Bye.